Limassol had a big problem with the waste. 2 years ago, they were landfilling every waste that came. So we have been asked to make a plant that would treat the incoming waste and produce recyclables, secondary fuel, clean the air, clean water, and a very small percentage of waste still going to the landfill.
The waste comes to the plant from the municipal trucks. They're weighed before coming up to the plant to know exactly how much garbage we're receiving. And then they dump all their waste into a tipping pit. This is a large bunker where we can store the garbage and process it. From this pit, we have 2 overhead grapples that collect the waste and send it into the first step of the process, the bag openers. Most of our waste comes in garbage bags, so before we can access the waste inside to be able to treat it, we need to open those bags. Here we have pickers that take out specific items from the waste stream. We remove glass at this point. We remove long pieces of plastic film, electronic waste, medical waste. After the manual sorting, we have magnets which separate the large metallic pieces out of the waste. After these magnets, we have machines called disc screens. The disc screens serve to separate the organic material. Waste smaller than a pre-programmed size falls beneath. So this is a way of separating the waste by size.
Like other plants, we have separation equipment that allows to efficiently remove the recyclables from the waste, such as plastics, metals, paper, glass, and the RDF, SRF. Unlike other plants, we have the OREX that extracts up to 95% of food waste from the garbage. This organic fraction is fed into the digesters, which is an important part of our process since it allows to generate electricity and fertilizer, thus reducing our cost of treatment and giving back to the earth the fertilizer.
The OREX is a key piece of technology for this plant because it serves to very effectively separate the organics from the non-organic material. The way it works is a very high level of pressure is applied to the waste. Anything organic which is found in this waste is liquefied by the pressure. This paste is conveyed away for treatment and biogas production.
In Limassol, we only send 11% of the residual waste back to the landfill.
After the mechanical sorting and we've recovered the organic polished pulp, we digest it in these large mesophilic anaerobic digesters. They're operated at 38 degrees Celsius, and that produces a very rich biogas high in methane. The combined heat and power units generate nearly 2 megawatts at this plant, and it's enough to completely satisfy the load of our mechanical sorting facility, our wastewater treatment plant, and all of our digestion technology.